Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay. Domestic animals का रिविजन किया?
Yes.
Revise किया? नहीं किया?
I do it.
Okay. You remember about the domestic animals?
Yes.
Can you tell me who are the domestic animals?
Cow, sheep, goat, buffalo. These all are the domestic animals.
Very nice. Part.
When I home, 2 days cat come and I gave him milk.
Okay. You gave milk to the cat.
Yes.
Okay. Very nice. हमने previous day में क्या किया था activity? हमने domestic animals की activity की थी. Right?
Let me show you. I take it here.
Okay, you have colored it so nicely, Part. Our today's activity is also about the domestic animal. We have learned now that goat is also domestic animal. First, I will tell you a new story about the domestic animal. Which domestic animal?
Sheep.
Goat. No, this is not sheep. This is goat.
2 silly goats.
Yes, 2 silly goats. Okay, I will say the story. Okay. So, the title of the story is 2 Silly Goats. Okay. One day, 2 goats were met in the middle of a bridge on the river stream. The bridge was narrow and both of them wants to cross the bridge. But as I've said, the bridge was narrow and only one animal could cross the bridge at a time. And both goats started fighting. No, I want to go first. I want to go first. While they were fighting, they started quarreling. They started shouting. They started fighting with each other. No, I want to go first. I want to go first. And while they were fighting, they lost their balance. And they fell into the river down and started sinking. Right? They started sinking. So what we have learned from this story? The moral of the story is anger leads sorrow and peace leads to joy. The moral of the story is anger leads
sorrow
and
peace leads
joy.
joy.
अगर वो दिमाग से काम लेते ना, हाँ, अगर वो बोलते नहीं ठीक है आप ही पहले चले जाओ, ऐसे तो एक रुकती एक पार हो जाती. But they were silly ना. What they did? They started fighting and they lost their balance. है ना? What they did? They started fighting. They started quarreling. Quarreling means झगड़ा करना, fight करना. हाँ, I want to go first. I want to go first. No. I want to go first. है ना? So, shall we start again? Okay. One day, 2 goats were met in the middle of a bridge. The bridge was narrow and only one animal can cross it at a time.
Ma'am, I made a narrow bridge.
Yes, and only one animal could cross a bridge at a time. मतलब एक दिन एक ब्रिज पे 2 बकरियां मिली, गोट मिली. ठीक है? भार्गवी, are you getting me? आपको आ रहा है ना समझ में? I will repeat in हिंदी also. ठीक है? ब्रिज जो था ना बहुत नैरो था, बहुत पतला सा था, तो एक बार में केवल एक ही जानवर पार कर सकता था, है ना? हाँ, इतना सा था, इसलिए एक बार में एक ही जानवर पार कर सकता था. बट they were so stubborn. जिद्दी थे ना, दोनों सिली थे. So they started quarreling. They started fighting. What they have started saying? No, I want to go first. I want to go first. What they were saying, Bhargavi? What they were saying? Say it. I want to go first. I want to go first. And while they were fighting, they lost their balance and fell down into the river stream. जब लोग फाइट कर रहे थे ना, तो उनका बैलेंस खो गया और वो पानी से नीचे गिर गए. हाँ, उनका बैलेंस बिगड़ गया ना, और वो ब्रिज से नीचे गिर गए और वो डूबने लगे. What is the moral of the story?
Moral of the story is
Anger
leads sorrow
and peace
and
leads
peace
joy.
leads joy.
Yes. बच्चों, कैसी रही स्टोरी? आपको स्टोरी पसंद आई?
Yes.
यस? क्या सीखा आपने इस स्टोरी से? इस कहानी से क्या
प्लीज
सीखा?
लड़ाई नहीं करते।
लड़ाई नहीं करनी चाहिए। लड़ाई करेंगे तो हमारा ही नुकसान होगा, है ना? यस, टेल मी।
अगर वो लड़ाई नहीं करते, सही कमाल करते, एक पहले नीचे रहती फिर दूसरी जाती तो बच जाते।
हाँ, नाउ we will meet again with the next new activity tomorrow. Okay? Okay, with the new activity tomorrow. Till that time, bye bye children.
बाय बाय।